Hi, in this video we are going to discuss the topic about voltage regulated ICs, and we know that regulators are used in all the sensitive electronic devices that need stable input voltage, and the power supply frequently produces the raw current and it will damage one of the component or the entire circuit. These regulators provide constant output voltage for any change in input voltage or load conditions. So it simply acts as a buffer for protecting the component from damages. Let's talk about something found very easily is your mobile phone charger. So it takes 100 to 240 volt AC and it will always give you the stable 5 volt output. And one more application is in microcontroller. So these days we have microcontroller in everywhere, and almost all microcontroller runs on 5 volt and a very low current. So in most cases a voltage regulator IC is incorporated with them to make sure that the controller runs properly. Voltage regulators are also available in integrated circuit forms. These are called as voltage regulated ICs. An IC based voltage regulator can be classified in different ways. A common type of classification as linear voltage regulators and switching voltage regulators. Under these linear voltage regulators, we have two types, that is fixed voltage regulators and adjustable voltage regulators. This is the block diagram of basic three-terminal IC regulator, and which consists of comparator and series pass transistor. So a part of the output voltage is given to the comparator non-inverting terminal and reference voltage is given to the inverting terminal. So after the comparison, a control voltage is generated which is applied to the series pass transistor. As you can see in the diagram, this pass transistor is connected between the input node and output node. So this negative feedback configuration allows the voltage regulator to maintain a constant output voltage. Fixed voltage regulators provide a constant output voltage. IC7805 is a basic example for fixed voltage regulator which provide a constant 5 volt output. And a fixed voltage regulator can be either a positive voltage regulator or a negative voltage regulator. A positive voltage regulator provides with constant positive voltage and negative voltage regulator provide a constant negative voltage. So it both are same in the design, construction and operation. The only difference is in the polarity of output voltage. And here the 78 series are the positive voltage regulators and 79 series are the negative voltage regulators. Adjustable voltage regulators regulates the output voltage within a desired range and can be adjustable within that range. So for example, if we have the LM317 voltage regulator, we can vary the output voltage from 1.2 volt to 37 volt. This voltage adjustment is achieved by placing different resistors values for resistor R2. And here also we have two types of voltage regulators, that is positive adjustable voltage regulators and negative adjustable voltage regulators. Switching voltage regulators accepts a DC voltage and converts it into a switched voltage. Again, it converts the switched voltage into a DC output voltage. That is, it converts one voltage to another by temporarily storing the energy and releasing that energy to the output at different voltage. So based on the topology, switching regulators are classified as step down or buck switching regulator, step up or boost switching regulator and buck boost switching regulator.